Hello traders, and welcome in this tutorial made by Best Trading Indicator. Let's talk about the Backtesting Premium Suite. Inspired from the great Pine coders on TradingView, we adapted it to our vision and trading method. If you received your access key by email from Best Trading Indicator, it means we added you in the script whitelist, and you can start playing with it. To add the indicator on your chart, please click on the indicator's icon, located at the very top of your TradingView. Go to Invite Only Scripts, and then type BTI, --Backtesting Premium Suite. When added for the first time, it may need a few more seconds to load than usual. You will see this orange label, inviting you to insert your key. Double-click on it, and insert it in the first input field. In this video, we will connect our algorithm builder multiple trends to our backtesting premium engine. Near the Connect Your Indicator label, select the Plug-and-Play icon. You will surely recognize the right connector to select, literally a plug, and joystick icons. It would be very hard not seeing them. Voila! The indicator is working. We see new signals on the charts, labeled Enter Long and Enter Short. For a more subtle visual display, you may play with the price scale at the right of your chart. How wonderful! You can connect your algorithm builder to a complete system in a single click. Even more awesome! The system works with any indicator. Best Trading Indicator sends to all their 6 and 12 months customers a comprehensive and easy tutorial to make any indicator compatible. Once connected, whenever you'll update your algorithm builder or your indicator, the backtest and analytics get updated automatically. Don't worry. We guarantee you, it should take no more than 1 minute per indicator. We made it easy, fun, and awesome. What's better between paying thousands for a backtest, or connecting your indicator with a click? That was a rhetoric question, but you can still share your answer with us if you want to. Let's review the filters offered by the BTI backtest engine. Trade direction. Select whether your system should trade one side only, or both. Let's try, telling the backtest to consider only the long positions. You certainly noticed the short positions disappeared. And now, we'd like the engine to only go short. Position sizing. For your simulation, select the position sizing, in percentage of equity, or initial capital. Pyramiding. Our premium users are eligible for this feature. It refers to entering multiple times in the same trend. You may define the number of re-entries, and their size, relatively to the initial position sizing. By selecting one re-entry, we see that the BTI backtest only enters one more time per trend. Let's revert our previous action, and observe that a second re-entry is now allowed. Entry stops. The BTI backtest suite requires an entry stop. It's used to initiate the stop loss. Then the in-trade stop engine takes the relay and manages how the stop loss behaves during the trade. In-trade stops. Although we recommend it, the in-trade stop is not mandatory. Taking here a simple example, you may define an entry stop based on a fixed percentage value, and an in-trade stop based on a trailing stop percentage. This is how a trailing stop is managed with the engine. Fixed percentage, or price value for the entry stop, then a trailing, for the in-trade stop loss. Hard exits. Best Trading Indicator patented method is known for the hard exits, also called invalidation. Having a stop-loss protecting your trade is a best practice. Protecting your stop-loss also from getting hit is incredible. We prefer invalidate a few positions, even if sometimes we don't want to. Rather than the market hard exiting on us, and leaving with our hard-working money. A hard exit is not mandatory at all, and has to be compatible with your own indicator and trading strategy. We definitively thought of using them with the algorithm builders, although it might not be relevant for your indicator. You may select a unique invalidation, based on a MACD, or RSI divergence, or our trend direction. All those indicators may be downloaded, for free, from our open source library on TradingView. Jumping right back to the hard exit, and showing a simple example based on a RSI divergence. Don't forget to check the hard exit checkbox. On this 5 minutes Bitcoin chart, you'll see the exit long, or exit short labels, whenever a divergence is detected in the opposite direction. The indicator in the panel below is called All-in-One MTF. Available on our website for sale. It works in the same fashion for the hard exits based on MACD and trend direction. Hard exit based on MACD. When in a position, and invalidated by a MACD in the opposite direction, the backtest gets out of the trade. Hard exit based on trend direction. When in a position, and invalidated by a trend direction in the opposite way, the backtest gets here also out of the trade. Take profit. On top of protecting ourselves against a downside, let's not forget about what trading is about. Putting a bit of butter in our spinach, if we may say so. That's why we included a take profit option, based either on a price value, or percentage value, or a multiple value of your stop loss. This last option is a way to simulate the risk to reward ratio. Setting 2 indicates to the engine that, for every unit of stop loss, the exit profit level should be twice that. Comparatively to the entry price, if your stop loss is $100 away, the take profit will be $200. Date range filtering. Any decent backtest should have a date range filtering feature. For sure, we do offer it. When enabled, the BTI Backtest Suite takes the trade only in the defined range. Here for example, the backtest will not trade outside the date range. Hour filtering. This feature is no joke, and reserved for our premium users. Those trading asset classes like stock options, or commodities, will enjoy this filter. Why enabling a backtest 24 hours a day? When we all know that the volatility lasts no more than a few hours, for every trading session. Let's note that no trade is taken outside of the hourly range. In that case, trading is only allowed between 9:30 a.m. and 12:30 p.m. You are very welcome. Slippage and fees. Often underestimated, they sure know how to remind the traders, who dared ignoring them. Those fees may be brutal, impacting negatively a trading capital, and our mood in the process. Without being pessimistic, it's important to simulate a trading strategy with real market conditions. The end goal is to trade on a live account, increasing our capital progressively, and why not also, keeping a good mood. Data window. Now the cherry on top of your trading cake. Are you ready for it? You may wonder where are the backtest's results, and if we kept them hidden from you. Yes, we totally did, but we're revealing them to you right now. Our premium users benefit from way more analytics than our pro users. Let's review how you can access them. Step 1. Click on the data window icon in the right vertical bar on TradingView. Step 2. Scroll down until you'll see the data below BTI Backtesting Premium Suite. Good job! Your work is now done. The BTI Backtest Suite, Pro and Premium, offer way more analytics than the native TradingView strategy engine. Are you ready for some magic? The data window is dynamic. It means whenever you'll mouse over at a given time on your chart, the data on that panel get automatically updated. Let's assume you're backtesting your idea from August 1st until October 10th. If you mouse over at a candle on October 10th, then the data displayed only include the results between August 1st and October 10th. The data window is updated at every trade and event. By events, we're talking about exits on profit, loss, hard exit, etc. Without inspiring ourselves too much from a famous movie. Your mission, if you choose to accept it, is to find a setup for your algo builder or your indicator, where you get a high enough average profitability per trade, a magnificent profit factor, a fabulous win rate. We also provide more details and cover what all those metrics mean in the guides section on our website. Please note, this video won't self-destruct at the end of our message though. Post-exit analysis, also called PEA. That feature is granted only for our premium users. Once a trade is over, the PEA analyzes what happened during that particular trade only. With the PEA, you may find setups where the opportunity is greater than the risk. We just defined what trading is about. Minimizing one's risk, increasing one's opportunity, and more importantly, keeping a good mood. We enabled all events, including the entries, re-entries, hard exits, take profits, stop losses etc. to alert you. Let's add that standard TradingView strategies don't normally allow alerts. We made this backtest as an indicator also, because we wanted it to send alerts to our users. This repainting message appears because the backtest use multi-time frame indicators for some calculations. There is really nothing to worry about. Imagine getting amazing analytics, alerts, and a generic system that anyone can connect to any indicator from TradingView in a single click only. Pretty fabulous, right? For a deep dive in the trading method and thorough review of our indicators and alerts, we invite you to read more on our website, best-trading-indicator.com.